Hi guys, hi. So I got a new phone. I got a new phone, and that's what I'm using. But let me show you guys. To all of you complaining about the quality of my video, this was the phone I was using. This was the phone I was using then. So I don't know, the camera you guys saw already. So I got a new phone. It's a Tecno phone. So yeah, I got a new phone, and I didn't buy it. My elder brother bought it for me. So yeah. So this is me trying to tell you that I will try as much as possible to be consistent, be very consistent, and yeah. So hopefully by God's grace, by God's grace, I would be very consistent with my upload, just so it won't be as if I'm just trying videos from time to time. At least. And this thing I'm saying is from my mouth to God's ears. I pray God gives me the grace to be consistently posting content at least twice in a week. If I can do 3 times, but at least twice in a week. Because this thing about me posting and then going off for a whole month, it's not making sense. And yeah. So this is me coming to tell you that yeah, I got a new phone. That's very good. Yeah. Ignore the batteries again, just say no. You guys, this is what you have to do to secure your television screen, because me cannot afford losing the screen of my television, not because of carelessness. So I look like someone that is trying to smuggle drugs, but no, I'm trying to play safe here. But this looks funny. Peace out.